Now I'm at the Siberian Tiger Park in Harbin, northeast China's Heilongjiang province. Over the past decades, China has been trying to save the Amur tigers, also known as the Siberian tiger. And today we are going to explore the park, where around 300 Amur tigers are living here. And our two friends are waiting for us. Hi, how are you guys today?
Fine, and you, Jinro?
Yeah, very good, thank you. And this is Dr. Gu, an expert on tiger protection.
Hi, I'm Gu Jiaying from Northeast First University.
And also our friend Daniel.
Hello, I'm Daniel Page. I'm from South Africa and I'm an English teacher here in Harbin. I'm so excited to be here. Let's go see those big tigers. These tigers seem a lot more fatter and larger compared to the ones that I've seen before.
Yes. Amur tiger is the largest subspecies among these tigers, such as like South China tiger or the Bengal tiger. Our Amur tiger is biggest. Okay, and they have very beautiful fur, and especially in winter, they're thicker than other species, their fur. And like our people's ring fingers, there are no two tigers have the same bright fur.
Wow, that is so beautiful. Wow, look at this one, he's coming right at us.
Due to their habitat destruction and human hunting, the number of Amur tigers was once reduced to less than 20 by the end of the 20th century. The latest data show that the population of white tigers in the northeast China Tiger and Leopard National Park, which sits in the northeast China's Jilin and Heilongjiang province, has existed 50.
Wow, yeah, okay, so that's definitely progress.
Yeah.
That's definitely progress.
It's really are paying off.
That's amazing.
In order to improve tiger conservation, we have established the nature reserves, enhancing habitat patrol and monitoring. To restore the habitat of white tiger and the leopards, China has proposed 14,000 kilometer squares national park, which was on trial in 2017 and officially established last year. The Northeast China Tiger and the Leopard National Park makes migration easier for wild animals.
I see here in China they have a much wider spectrum of conservation. So, having the support of the government makes a huge difference. That is really impressive.